Hare Krishna, this is Ashwarya. Welcome to my channel Basics by Aging. Today I am going to present you recipe of a mouth-watering Indian dish, that is besanche laddu. You need only 5 ingredients to prepare this traditional Indian sweet. So let's begin. To begin with, here I have taken a heavy bottom kadhai into which I am adding around 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, and once the oil gets heated, I am adding around 4 cups of gram flour, that is besan. On medium or low flame we have to keep roasting this gram flour until we get this kind of color. Then again we will add some more ghee, around 2 tablespoons of ghee, and then keep repeating the process. Keep roasting it and keep adding ghee in between, 2 spoons or so. And once you get a nice aroma of besan or gram flour, we'll add some water, around half a cup of water. This will give nice texture to it. Keep roasting this, keep stirring it until we get a good smooth texture, which is also bindable, because we need to bind these mixture into sweet balls. By now you will be able to smell sweet aroma of ghee and gram flour. At this stage I am adding some chopped dry fruits like cashew nuts, almonds, kishmish, pistachio. Switch off the flame and keep it on a cool place for around 1 hour. We'll keep it aside to let it cool. Once it's completely cool, now we can add powdered sugar or boora. So here I'm using boora, which I bought it from market. This is a form of sugar which is more in powder form. Boora gives a different texture and aroma to any sweet that we prepare. It's recommendable to add boora. If you don't get boora in market or it's not accessible, then you can use powdered sugar that you can prepare at home. Like take some sugar and in your mixer grinder you can grind it, and once it becomes powder form you can add that into this mixture. Once we add sugar into this mixture, we have to make sure that all the ingredients get nicely mixed. So rubbing like this will make sure that everything is properly mixed up. At this point we will add some more ghee, around 3 to 4 tablespoons, and then we will give it a nice mix with our hands. Keep rubbing it until you get a nice sticky bindable form of mixture, because we need to make laddus out of it. If it is too dry you will not be able to bind it, and if it is too liquidy then also it will get flat. So there is a proper way to make this laddu. If you want proper round shaped laddus, then very good consistency of this mixture is required. And now I am going to use the final ingredient, that is cardmom powder, around 4 to 5 cardmom. And now I am going to bind these laddus. So you have to take small portion in your hand and keep pressing it. First of all we need to bind it. Once this laddu, you can see it's bindable, it's not breaking. Later on we'll give it a nice smooth shape like this. With the help of both hands, just keep making round circles and you will get a smooth balls like this. See how easy it is. Keep it aside, and similarly we will prepare another laddu. Take a small portion, keep binding it. Once the mixture is binded, we'll give it a nice circular shape. We have to bind this with light hands, otherwise it will break. Don't be too hard on this mixture. Just with light hands we have to give it a circular shape, round shape. And Now I am going to stick some cashew nut on top of it. Sticking a cashew nut or pistachio on top of this balls will give it a more professional look, like sweets that we get in shops. Professional halwais or sweet maker, they give it a nice smooth look by sticking pistachio on top of it. Initially, you may find it difficult to give it a proper round shape, but do not worry. Gradually, you will become expert. Once you will bind all these mixture into balls, you too will become expert in making laddus. Just be patient and you will see the magic. So after 1.5 hours, I was able to bind all the mixture into laddus. Now I am going to offer this laddu to Lord Shri Krishna by putting a tulsi leaf on top of it. Once it's offered to Lord Shri Krishna, it becomes transcendental food, that is prasadam. Enjoy it with your family. And yes, once you prepare all the laddus, you can keep it inside an airtight container so that it will long for around 1 month. So hope you like the recipe. Keep watching my channel Basics by AJ. This is Aishwarya signing off. Hare Krishna.